We opposed all three of these bills. Time does not permit me to elaborate on many flaws in them, so very briefly. Senate Bill 764 creates conditions to acquire a concealed handgun license that are onerous, unnecessary, and for most people, impossible to comply with. But that was the point, wasn't it? Senate Bill 797 eliminates the right of qualified people to purchase firearms as long as the Oregon State Police cannot or will not do their job. I recently had a student in a gun class who praised the response from the state police after she was denied a firearm because it only took her 8 months to get it straightened out. She felt that was very successful. 95% of the delays, as Representative Williams, which is totally, are in error. 95%. This is the kind of failed system that we don't think should be rewarded. As for Senate Bill 868, we think this is kind of fantasy. The bill allows a person who has not been convicted of crime to have his rights and possessions stolen at the whim of a politically motivated, unaccountable, and usually unelected bureaucrat. You may recall that Judge Kenneth Walker proclaimed in open court in Oklahoma County that no one, not even the police, should be allowed to have guns, and that if he had his way, they would all be put on bars under the ocean. So what chance does anyone having their rights taken away have? Furthermore, while purporting to address people who are violent or suicidal, there is not one word in the bill or the amendments that actually addresses violent behavior or offers help for people who are self-destructive. Strong there is no vote for this.
First, before we take questions, I'm going to give you both opportunities to speak longer if you have other things. Kevin, sounds like you might want to say more. I try to get word to you. I don't know if Dr. Barr got word that we wanted to extend the time because it turned out that the second panel that was the second bill. So if you'd like to take a little bit more time, please do so.
Well, I would like to address the CHL requirements being changed. I have no idea how those requirements could be complied with under those situations. Because frankly, NRA firearms instructors are firearms instructors. They're not trained. And frankly, although I give classes